What we got? Fill him on there. First fish on the Ancient Mariner.
Fish on, baby.
Feels nice. It might be a little bigger than the last one. He's running right at me. So I don't know if he's going to get meaner here at the boat. Oh, he feels pretty good. Oh, heck, he's getting mean. Nice fish. Oh, yeah, definitely getting mean. He's all knotted up and other stuff. All right, quit flopping.
Get in the boat.
Oh, put him here. I'm messing with it.
You get out of the way there. Slide there. Need to get this rod out of the way. Come on, buddy. Alright. Slide it over here. Now let's see if we can get this hook out of this thing. It don't look too bad in there. Just grab them with the old pliers and give them a good twist.
All right.
All tangled up here. Come on. Oh, all right. We about got it. Something messing with that one.
Something was going on over there.
I don't know. Must have been bottom. Let's get this guy.
All right, fish.